Wondering what to use Cassia for? Well, today I'm going to teach you some of the benefits that Cassia offers and some ways to use it in your essential oil routine. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below. The link is there. A close relative to cinnamon, cassia has a strong, spicy aroma that can be used in small quantities to transform any essential oil blend. It's been used for thousands of years for its many health benefits. It's one of the few essential oils mentioned in the Old Testament, noted for its unmistakable fragrance and calming aromatic properties. Cassia is a warming oil that helps promote healthy immune function when ingested. In fact, experimental research suggests that internal use of cinnamaldehyde, a major constituent of cassia, may support a healthy gastrointestinal tract. Cassia is a great oil to diffuse during cold months due to its warming properties and spicy scent. It smells like fall. Due to its caustic nature, it should be diluted with a carrier oil when applied directly to the skin. When diluted and applied topically, cassia can help soothe the body. But it can also be used in cooking, either as a replacement for cinnamon in pies and breads, or by itself in other entrees and desserts. You can diffuse it. You can take 1 or 2 drops in a veggie capsule to help boost your immune support. Combine it with some carrier oil for a massage. And one way I like to use it is to add 1 or 2 drops to a glass of warm water, along with a teaspoon of honey and a drop of lemon essential oil to help jumpstart my digestive system and metabolism in the morning. You can use it aromatically, internally, topically. So get your cassia, use it one of the ways I've described. It's just one more way for you to take control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.